What's up, guys? We're about to open a baseball box.
She might have something for you to put.
Let's go get into it. It's gonna be hard. Dennis.
Alright, well, I'll let you off here.
Okay,
We have
no idea how to do this. Oh, never mind. Okay,
Bye.
Two. Is that two? Yes, okay. There. There's your extra. Okay. It'll go backwards. Finley, you go first. Nope. Oh, no, you got it. Either way, Paxton's in the middle. Yeah.
Hey, y'all need that box.
Okay, can you go show the cards? So she got a Geo, your shirt, Robbie Ray, Max. These were also made in 2020. Krennic, Adam Renwright, Paul Goldschmidt, Connor Joe, Lewis Gill, Red Determiners, Adam DeVole. That's it. This guy's turn. Sorry about that. Probably good. I mean, we don't know if they're rares or not, so we'll have fun for the next few days. Look, Jake trying to see if they're rares. Order Rizzy, Anthony Santander, Brian Goodwin, DJ Stewart, Dustin Garner, Ryan Jeffers, Trevor May, Brandon Michael Crawford, and Anderson. My turn. So first we have... No, you just say the names. I don't know, you show me. Show. Hans Caruso. That's a rookie pitcher's card. We got Zach Lowrith, Spencer Watkins, Mike Booman. We got Lorenzo Kane, Sheho Inatani. That's a good card. Mike Minor. Hold on. Ryan McMahon. Oh, 1973. Ryan. Ryan Whiff. Oh no. Do you know this guy's name? This was a flashback. No hitter. He threw a no hitter.
Now.
It doesn't show.
That one around.
Yater Malini. Oh, strikeout leaders. Jack Wheeler, Robbie Ray. Okay, can we your turn?
Come on.
Cool. Got it.
Oh, you got it. Nick Madrill, Dalton Vershu, Gavin Bigo, Wilson Contreras, stolen base leaders,
Trey Turner and Merrifield. Razel Exelis. Jimmer. Cangelo. Jared Kellenick. And
You're supposed to eat it.
Victory Leaders. Julio Urzes. Jarrett Cole. There you go. My pack. Oh.
I think we can open this one up.
We're opening next. Colton Weckler. Tommy Edmond. Cedric Mullins. Michael Confronto. Bobby Bradley. Austin Meadows. James Comparison. Joey Gallo. Yu Chang. That's it. My favorite player right here.
My turn. This is my final pack
not really.
because I gave her my other pack. Yes. So we have
Phil Gosselin.
Phil Gosselin,
Miguel Kabari.
Musical Kabari,
Han Soto.
John Soto.
Han.
It's John.
No, it's not.
It starts with
It doesn't matter. Logan Gilbert.
a J. Logan Gilbert.
Charlie Blackmon.
Charlie Blackmon.
Chris Bassett.
Chris Bassett.
Tommy Pham.
Tommy Pham. Like some ham.
Jake Berger.
Jake Burger. Like some burgers from Chicken with some fries.
Carlos Santana.
Carlos Santana.
Last card. Last card. Okay, Kimmy, your turn. Joey Gallo. Here, boy. Dream on.
Just dream on. Dream on.
Kyle Hendricks. Louis Friz. Alex Reyes. Vidal Bujan. Patrick Winston. Gavin Lux. Max Kepler. Aaron Oshuby. And Jaron Duran. Okay, last pack. Brandon Nemo. Swan Walker. Tim Anderson. Jerickson Profair. Jeff McNeil. Career highlights of Harmon Killebrew.
I'm here to check it.
Joe Ryan. Freddie Galvis. Patrick Corbin. Bye, guys.